Hello, and welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, where we discuss all things trading. My name is Alex, and today's topic is one that has been on everyone's mind lately. What is crypto, and how to trade crypto to make profit? But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new to the crypto world, it can be a bit overwhelming trying to figure out where to start from. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. Fortunately, you don't need to master the complexities of the blockchain to trade crypto on Olymp Trade. You don't even need to set up a wallet. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, also known as digital money, runs without the help of a central bank and uses encryption for protection. It's decentralized and runs on a blockchain which keeps a public record of all transactions and cannot be erased or manipulated. Cryptocurrencies can be used to buy goods and services, and they can also be traded like stocks. Individual cryptocurrency assets are referred to as coins or sometimes tokens. Bitcoin, sometimes also called digital gold, was the first cryptocurrency ever created and is now the most traded. In fact, Bitcoin is so popular that countries like El Salvador and the Central African Republic now recognize it as a legal tender. In 2010, 2 pieces were purchased for 10,000 Bitcoins, and this transaction marked the first ever purchase made with Bitcoin. In 2021, at the currency's all-time high price, these pieces would have been worth $688 million. If Bitcoin is digital gold, then Ethereum, which is second to Bitcoin in market capitalization, is digital silver. Unlike Bitcoin, which is considered as a store of value and a marketable asset, Ethereum enables the development and deployment of smart contracts and decentralized applications, thereby creating a whole new financial ecosystem. Litecoin, an offshoot of Bitcoin, was created to mitigate some of Bitcoin's shortcomings, such as slow transaction processing speed, and also to be used as a currency at various points of sale. So how can you make profits trading crypto on Olymp Trade? On Olymp Trade, not only can you top up your account with crypto, but you can benefit from crypto trading, and perhaps many more. Here, you don't simply trade on the actual coins. Instead, you trade on their market value. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Basic Altcoin Index, and Litecoin are all available for trading 24/7 with zero spread in the FTT and Forex trading modes, with up to 92% profitability and 10 times leverage. Many more crypto assets are expected to be added in the coming months as part of Olymp Trade's new Forex Lite crypto trading mode. The fact is, crypto trading offers better opportunities than the traditional stock market because you can capitalize on dramatic price fluctuations. Besides, crypto can help you diversify your portfolio. I personally recommend starting with assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or even Basic Altcoin Index, because they are all major drivers for all other coins movement. Which is better for trading crypto? Fundamental analysis or technical analysis? The answer to this question depends on what type of trader you are or want to be. Check out our last video if you haven't figured out your trading style yet. You'll first need to understand the market trends, also referred to as cycles. In addition to using traditional technical indicators, identifying the support and resistance levels can guide your decision-making on when to enter and exit a position. In terms of technical indicators that can help you spot market trends, you can consider the Moving Average Convergence and Divergence (MACD), the Relative Strength Index (RSI), the Fibonacci levels, and even the Bollinger Band. Trading crypto can be an exciting way to make profit, but remember that it's crucial to do your own research and understand the risks involved. By using technical and fundamental analysis and keeping an eye on key crypto market events, you'll be able to make informed trading decisions and hopefully see some great returns. I hope you found this information helpful, and I'd like to end this video by saying that risk is always better than regret in trading. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and let us know which topics interest you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.